Well, in the summertime, I mean, with this show, everything's here. So you've got crops that are growing kind of mid-season. You've got all the new technology. You can demo. There's so many things. And at the same time, if you want to go have a beverage and network with a couple of farmers from Saskatchewan or different areas, you can kind of learn some things from them. And it's just really neat to be part of the ag community in the summertime. We're always looking for some new ideas in the seeding, some more precision spraying. We do a little bit of custom spraying in our area and just different technology like that can, help our business at home. There's every different opportunity to either run equipment, talk to salesmen, suppliers, and network, talk to a farmer that's maybe using some new technology that you can adopt. And again, have a beverage, and it's always good when you can sit down and have a beer with a friendly neighbor from somewhere in Western Canada.